In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find file history in Figma. If you've ever wondered who changed what in your design or when a specific update was made, Figma's version history is the place to go. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to look and how to read the information you see. First, open your browser and log into your Figma account using your usual credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main Figma dashboard. This is where all your projects and files are listed. Take a moment to locate the project that contains the file whose history you want to review. When you've found it, click on that file to open it in the Figma editor. Now that you're inside the file editor, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the main toolbar and the file panel. At the very top of this area, you should notice the title of your file. This is usually the name you gave the design document. Right next to the file title, there's a small downward pointing arrow. This arrow is easy to miss if you're not looking for it, but it's the key to accessing the history. Go ahead and click on that arrow. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your file. From this menu, select the option that says Show Version History. As soon as you click this, Figma will open a dedicated version history panel, usually on the right side of your screen. In this version history view, you'll see a list of all the saved versions of your file. Each entry shows a timestamp, which tells you exactly when that version was created, and it also shows the name of the person who made the change. This makes it easy to track collaboration, understand who updated a component, or roll back to an earlier state if something went wrong. You can click on any version in the list to preview what the file looked like at that point in time. This is especially useful if you're comparing iterations or trying to recover an older design direction. Just remember that you're only viewing those versions unless you choose to restore one. And that's it. You've successfully found and viewed the file history in Figma. Now you can confidently keep track of changes in your designs and better manage your collaborative work.